If you're seeing a 401 HTTP error, I know how frustrating it can be. This error typically indicates that your attempt to access a website or resource has been denied due to missing or invalid authentication credentials. But don't worry, this is a common issue, and I'll walk you through how to identify the cause and resolve it step by step. First, let's break down what a 401 HTTP error means. Essentially, it occurs when a server receives your request but refuses to fulfill it, because the credentials, such as a username or password, were either not provided or were incorrect. This often happens when trying to access a secure page, such as an online account or a protected file. To start fixing the issue, ensure that the URL you're trying to access is correct. Typos in the web address can sometimes lead to a 401 HTTP error, so double-check for any errors. If the URL is correct and you're still seeing the error, the next step is to review your login credentials. Ensure you're entering the right username and password for the website or resource. If you're unsure or can't remember, most websites have a password recovery option that you can use. If you've confirmed your credentials and the error persists, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Stored data from previous sessions can sometimes interfere with authentication, resulting in a 401 HTTP error. After clearing your cache, restart your browser and attempt to access the site again. Another possible cause of the error is that your session may have expired. If you were logged into a site for a long time without activity, you might need to log in again. Refresh the page or log out and log back in to see if that resolves the problem. If none of these steps work, there might be an issue on the server's end. In this case, try contacting the website's support team or system administrator. Provide them with the details of the 401 HTTP error, including the page you were trying to access and any steps you've already taken. They can investigate further and help you resolve the issue. For those using VPNs or proxy servers, temporarily disable them and try accessing the site directly. Sometimes security settings on the server block access from certain IP addresses, leading to this error. I hope this guide helps you fix the problem quickly. While the 401 HTTP error can be a hassle, it's usually straightforward to resolve once you identify the cause. If you encounter further issues or have specific questions, don't hesitate to reach out to a tech support professional. You've got this.